What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video we got an Acura MDX over here. We got wiper blades. So if you got an Acura MDX, doesn't matter what year it is, I want to show you guys how to change the front to wiper blades. Pretty simple. First of all, you need wiper blades, so make sure you go to the parts department. They usually go by the length, okay? But let me just show you. So the length is the size of these wiper blades. So we have we don't have measurement on this, we just got the part numbers. Okay, so first of all, the wiper blades that your car original wiper blades, they will have inserts. So if you want to do inserts, but also I want to show you guys original wiper blades will look something like this. If you're changing them, they don't have, you see the difference in this wiper blade and that wiper blade? They don't have this little mechanism right here. So this one is just a squeeze. You squeeze the tab down here and then you just kind of slip them down that way. Well, and they will come right off. Same procedure, only thing is this has one extra step. These gotta be like squeezed in just like that, and then these kind of, you see these are broken right here, so these will just kind of, they will pop out just like that. So one thing I want to tell you guys is, if you lift this up in the air, make sure you do not drop this down, okay? You do not drop this onto the windshield. It will crack your windshield. Let me just get this out of the way. So if you want to just put it down nicely, if you have a cardboard, put that cardboard beforehand, and that way you don't damage anything. So there you go, got the wiper blade off. So this one is shot. Procedure is the same thing. This one slides back also. Only thing is on this one, you gotta kind of push that little tab in. And this one, this is the mechanism that holds it, so you gotta squeeze this and lift it, okay? So we're gonna get the new wiper blade, so we're gonna just toss these two out. As you can see, this is done and shot. So the little wiper blade is what goes on that side, and we're gonna open this up. We're gonna get the wiper blade out of there. So notice, this is different. This is different than, I gotta pick these back up. So this, I'm gonna just put it nicely here. No one should be messing me. I'm messing up the paint. I'm not doing any damages here. So this and this is the same thing, just a fancy version of it. This and this is the same thing again. This one has that little tab down here. You see, you gotta squeeze this to take it off. You actually gotta push this down to get it off. So this one is a little different, but every wiper is a little different. So this guy just goes on just like that, and you just pull on it, and then after that it clicks in and it shouldn't come off, okay? And then we gotta have to take these little guys off, so you just pull these down and this comes right out, okay? And same thing here, you're gonna pull this little guy, this little notch down and out. So there's one more good step left for you guys to learn and understand, so let's toss these out. We're gonna go on this side, same procedure, squeeze, lift, and then pull the whole wiper out of that arm. And this makes it a little complicated with this little guy. He's gotta slip out of there. So let's put that down slowly. So this guy is also shot. Let's open this up. Some wiper blades will come with a whole bunch of adapters. So if you got a BMW Audi, procedure will be the similar. So this guy goes right on and it clicks right in. Make sure it clicks in, it doesn't come back out, okay? Same thing, remove this and remove this. Some wipers will have a long insert, okay? So you want to take that off. So the next step here is, what I like to do here is, I like to clean the surface. Okay, I like to clean the surface, so that way if you don't have any dirt and debris, it will not get stuck like onto the wiper, because once it's stuck on it, it's just not gonna come off. You're just gonna keep skidding everything around it. So I understand it's a lot of steps, but I just want to show you guys how I do it. And I like to clean the area nicely. Same thing on the other side. Clean the area. Soapy water, that's what it is. Bada bing, bada boom, this baby goes down. And after that you could try the wipers and they should clean nice and good. We're not gonna try that because we know they're gonna clean them good, do the good job. So thank you for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next video.